Morning students, welcome back to SST class as we have completed chapter number 9 explanation. So today we will discuss the question answers. Okay, the system of governance in a village is called number B Panchayat Raj. How many levels of Panchayat Raj are there? We will write 3. Okay, 3. How many villages does a block consist of? 40. The members of the governing bodies in cities are called councillors. The governing bodies of large cities are called municipal corporation. A number. Now let us move on to B. Replace the underlined words with correct ones to make the statements true. Statements true. Okay. Number 1. The head of the panchayat is the mayor. No, it will be sarpanch. Okay. There must be at least 5 women in the panchayat. No, 1 woman. Okay. The head of the municipal committee is called sarpanch. No, chairman. People above 16 years of age elect the members of the gram panchayat. No, it will be 18 years. People pay grants to the government. No, people pay tax to the government. Now, understand the analogy and write the missing word. State, state government, village, town and city, local self-government. Okay. District, Jila Parishad, block, Panchayat Samiti. Large cities, municipal corporation, towns, municipal committee. Panch, Sarpanch, municipal corporation, mayor. People pay tax, government grants funds. Okay. Next is short answer questions. Name the local self-government bodies in our country. So D number 1. Let us turn the page. Here answer is Panchayat Raj, the municipal corporation and the municipal committees. Okay, this is D number 1 answer. Page number it is 61. Okay. Panchayat Raj, the municipal corporation and the municipal committees. Okay, you will write the local self-government bodies in our country are. After that, you will write the answer. Number 2 is who elects the members of the panchayat? So you will write the members of the panchayat are elected by the villagers. Okay, the members of the panchayat are elected by the villagers. Now, number 3. Who is the head of the panchayat? Answer will be Sarpanch is the head of the panchayat. Sarpanch is the head of the panchayat. How many members does a panchayat have? You will write panchayat has 5 to 31 members. Okay. Panchayat have 5 to 31 members. Next is who is a mayor? What you will write? Mayor is the head of municipal corporation. Okay. You will write mayor is the head of municipal corporation. Okay. Next, we will see the next question. Name 4 cities which have municipal corporation. The 4 cities which have municipal corporation are Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. Okay. Now we will move on to long question answers. That is number 1. Describe the 3-tier system of the Panchayat Raj. What you will write? The Panchayat Raj consists of village, block and district. The Panchayat Raj consists consists of village, block and district. After that you will write each village has a village council called Gram Sabha or Gram Panchayat. Around 40 villages form a block. The block council is called Panchayat Samiti. Many blocks form a district or jila. The district council or the Jila Parishad is the top level of the system. This is E number 1 answer. Okay, now let us turn the page. Number 2, write a short note on the governing bodies in cities and towns in India. We have to write a note on the governing bodies, cities and towns in India. You will write from here. The municipal corporations govern large cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. Their head is called mayor. The municipal committees or municipal councils look after large cities and towns. Their head is called chairman or president. And members of the municipal corporation, municipal council or municipal committees are elected by the people who are 18 years or above in age. Up to here is the answer. Okay, from here to here it is E number 2. Now let us see next question. List any 3 functions of the local self-government. We have to write the functions of local self-government. So 3 functions you will write. One you will write from education, that is runs primary schools and vocational courses centers. One you will write from here, builds, repairs and maintains roads and bridges. And one from here, runs dispensaries and primary health centers. Okay, so 3 functions you will give from education, welfare and health and sanitation. Next we will see number 4. Why are taxes collected by local self-government bodies and name 2 taxes collected by the government? Okay, so why are taxes collected by the local self-government body? So you will write taxes are collected by local self-government bodies. Taxes are collected by local self-government bodies because you will give, then you will write a lot of money is needed by the local self-government bodies to perform their functions. Money is needed to buy materials for construction of schools, toilets, roads and to pay to the workers. Okay, up to here is your answer. The second part you have to write the name of 2 taxes. You will write road tax and water tax, or you may write house tax also, sales tax also. Any 2 you will write. Okay, this is E number 4. Now let us see number 5. What is there? In what ways can we help local self-government? What you will write? We can help the local self-governments. We can help the local self-governments by supporting them and helping them and paying the taxes in time. Okay, by supporting them and helping them and as well as paying the taxes on time so that they may do their work properly. Okay, this is the answer. So children, we have ended this chapter. This is the last chapter of your syllabus for your midterm exam. We have discussed the question answers. So you will write them and learn them. Okay, till then take care. Bye and thank you children.